You won't believe the next move Samsung is quietly making right now. Leaks are flooding in, early hands on images are surfacing, and insiders are hinting at changes so subtle, yet so bold, they could redefine the Ultra experience forever. From a striking hero color to a camera design that whispers innovation, this isn't just another Galaxy. This could be the most talked about flagship of the year. Welcome back viewers, Sam here, like, share, and subscribe for more. The very first hands-on glimpses are turning heads. Shared by Saudi Android, these images showcase a Galaxy Ultra that feels refined, confident, and unmistakably premium. The big reveal: a completely unified camera module. Gone are the separate rings of previous Ultra models. Now, the lenses sit together on a raised plateau, giving the rear a clean, modern look that feels borrowed from Samsung's foldable lineup, hinting that the company is unifying design across all its top-tier devices. The S Pen is still present, keeping the Ultra's identity alive, and the body looks flatter, sleeker, and more polished than ever. Leaked images have sparked speculation about the color lineup. If insiders are correct, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could launch in 6 distinct shades. Black, silver shadow, and sky blue feel familiar, but cobalt violet immediately grabs attention, echoing the titanium violet of the S24 Ultra. Rumors of an orange variant now seem unlikely, suggesting Samsung is forging its own path, rather than chasing Apple's trends. This bold choice signals confidence. Samsung is quietly setting the stage for a new chapter in premium design. SEM tray leaks from Ice Universe add more intrigue. Dual physical SEM support is confirmed, although regional availability may vary. The trays themselves showcase main colors: black shadow, white shadow, galactual blue, and ultraviolet, the latter reportedly the hero shade that will dominate marketing campaigns. Each color carries its own personality, and whispers of an online, exclusive orange variant keep things exciting. Samsung is building a narrative that's as much about style as it is about performance. Speaking of performance, charging and battery upgrades are noteworthy. The base Galaxy S26 supports 25W charging, while the Plus and Ultra models push the envelope with faster speeds, 45Ws and 60Ws respectively, and larger batteries up to 5000 mAh. Screens have grown too, offering bigger displays for immersive experiences. These refinements aren't revolutionary alone, but when combined with design, color, and camera changes, they hint at a carefully reimagined flagship. Photography enthusiasts should pay attention. Early reports indicate Samsung is rethinking image processing. Expect colors that feel natural and true to life, prioritizing realism over oversaturated pops. This subtle shift may not wow casual users at first glance, but anyone who loves capturing accurate scenes will notice the difference immediately. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could finally balance bold innovation with a more grounded, premium photography experience. Leaks don't stop at hardware, they extend to accessories and finishes too. Case renders suggest a raised camera plateau, and even a white marble variant, emphasizing a modern, luxurious aesthetic. This attention to detail shows Samsung is refining not just specs, but perception. Every visual cue, from curves to colors, is designed to tell a story about precision and premium quality. The closer we get to the February 25 Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco, the louder the rumors grow. Trusted leakers are delivering back-to-back hints, revealing subtle refinements that suggest Samsung isn't rushing, but instead carefully crafting its next flagship. Every new leak, from SEM trays to color swatches, feels like a breadcrumb trail leading to something truly different this year. The Ultra identity isn't changing, it's evolving. Battery life, charging, cameras, colors, and design are just the surface. Beneath the hood, small but meaningful tweaks in performance, display technology, and AI features are quietly making the S26 Ultra feel smarter, faster, and more capable than ever before. This isn't about incremental updates, it's about building a cohesive, premium experience that feels intentional. Every detail is calculated, from the tactile feel of the body to the visual harmony of the rear camera layout. For fans, the excitement isn't just about specs, it's about anticipating how Samsung is redefining what a flagship can feel like in 2026. Will the hero color dominate sales? Will the realistic image processing win over photography purists? And what surprises could Samsung still be holding back for the Unpacked reveal? Share your thoughts in the comments. What are you most curious about with the S26 Ultra? And which color would you choose if you could pre-order today? The leaks keep coming, and the story is far from over. From bold color choices to refined hardware, Samsung is quietly setting up a narrative that's as much about emotional impact as it is about technology. Every insider tip, every leaked image, and every subtle update paints a picture of a company ready to surprise, impress, and challenge expectations. Keep watching, because when the Galaxy S26 Ultra finally drops, it might just rewrite the rules for what we expect from a flagship phone. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insider updates, and let me know in the comments which leaks surprised you the most. The Galaxy S26 Ultra story is unfolding fast, and you won't want to miss a single detail. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.